What's going on, guys? It's Matthew back with another video. Let's hop right into it. So today is Thursday, June 22nd. We're trading right here on this bar. So Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. If you go back to our weekly review, we mentioned that we had this fair value gap. We had the consequent encroachment, which is just a 50%. And as you can see, Monday, Tuesday, we tagged it. And we were looking for a Tuesday high of the week profile, which we got. So Tuesday created the high of the week. Wednesday, I predicted that we were gonna have a bearish large range day, and as you can see, we did. We cleared this rejection block here, and now we cleared the old low. But as you can see, Thursday we traded up, hit the rejection block, and now we're trading lower. So for the targets, we're still looking for this order block here, these lows, and then this original consolidation that we keep talking about here. But we're gonna clean up the dollar index just for future videos. So we're gonna keep this rejection block to show the precision right here, how it opened, hit the rejection block, and now it's going lower. We will keep the fair value gap and the consequent encroachment level, but the volume imbalance we can delete for now, and we can delete this for now as well, keeping it super clean. All right, we can actually, I'm gonna keep these. The lower end of the fair value gap, consequent encroachment, and the higher end. And we're still looking for these targets. So on to the bonds. As you can see, today's Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. We traded down into the rejection block. Tuesday, we rallied. Wednesday was not a great day. We mentioned that we had this order block here. We can play off of it. Thursday today, we're trading down into that mean threshold. We're trading into the mean threshold of this down close candle. So we'll see if it stays in consolidation or wants to buy out, because we just also took yesterday's low as well. So we'll see if we want to continue above these old highs back here that we've been watching. But if not, we're going to go most likely for this old low back here. Swing low. Probably tag the consequent encroachment again of this fair value gap. Eventually to hit this volume imbalance down here. So let's clean this up real quick. I'll just draw this. We have to take heed to this volume imbalance, and if we trade lower below these lows here, this one and this one, we're gonna end up on the volume imbalance. But with dollar being bearish, I'm looking for bonds to continue bullish. Euro dollar, just the opposite of the dollar index. Today's Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. We had a Monday low of the week. Tuesday low of the week profile. So Monday opens, Tuesday makes a low of the week, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday we rally. But Friday could be a reversal. But for right now, the Tuesday low of the week profile is playing to perfection right now. We still have the buy side liquidity pool here, and we still have this mean threshold of this order block here, this bearish order block. So it's seeming that today we made the low, and we're going to rally to the mean threshold of this order block. But if we get a large range day, we could either look for the rejection block, but most important, the buy side liquidity pool. So we're gonna just keep these levels here. Still looks clean. All right, but we can also add, actually we don't have to add this right here. When this candle closes today, we'll probably come back tomorrow and see this gap from this candle's high to this candle's low. But we're just gonna stick for today's price action, Thursday. We look like we're gonna have a bullish day. and end up in the mean threshold of this last up close candle. Cable, as we mentioned, we ran up into the weekly. Let me go back to the weekly. We ran into this weekly fair value gap, right? So just remember that, guys. We ran into the weekly fair value gap on Friday here. So when I did the weekly review, I didn't know if we were gonna go all the way lower to this down close candle or this gap. But on Tuesday, we traded lower and rejected. We knew that this gap had some institutional sponsorship. We also said that cable would make the Wednesday low of the week profile, which this candle was Wednesday. We tagged the lower end of this fair value gap, and obviously you can see we rejected. However, I have to add a level for the cable, which is right here. We're actually playing off it now. This is a rejection block. So let's see if we actually reverse from here or we continue higher to the upper end of the weekly fair value gap and above this old high right here. So we're going to keep this clean. Rejection block, lower end of the fair value gap, and we have this old high back here. So if we go lower from here right now today, which I don't think we should, but we can, we're gonna run below this, or we're gonna come back to test this lower end of this fair value gap, and if not, and we break through, we're still looking at this last down close candle as a bullish order block. Lastly, the euro pound. Euro pound has been in this consolidation, but we said that Friday we ran these sell stops here, this old low, ran the sell stops. Monday we took out Friday's low, and then from there we started rallying up, and this is why I was unsure about the cable continuing bearish. But now I'm switching my stance. I'm not sure if we're going to continue bullish on the cable because the euro pound is starting to look bullish. We just took out a old high right here. So I'm going to clean this up. We just took out this old high. But and we also, yeah, I'm going to clean this up, guys, real quick. Today we traded down into Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday's high, and now we came off of that. So the next level would obviously be this old high back here to watch for today if we blast through that. If we did make a high right now, after blowing out this old high, we're going to continue lower and wipe out this sell side liquidity pool. And I will just throw this order block here. Right. And we have this inversion level of this rejection block here as well. That price is playing off of. But I can delete that because we have a more precision price point, which is the high of Tuesday. We have this last down close candle, bullish order block. So we'll see if there's any sensitivity there. All right. I can take this off now, put it down to the rejection block here. And then obviously the old low. So we have a couple levels. We could delete this as well. We just took out this old high. We have another old high back here. Gap. Last up close candles. And then the buy side liquidity pool here that we've been mentioning. Or on the downside, we have bearish order block. Bullish order block, bullish rejection block, and this old low. So stops. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Um, Tomorrow, I'm not sure if we're gonna have a video because we don't trade on Fridays, but we'll see. But be prepared for the weekly review on Saturday. And remember, there's risk in the market. Stay safe, guys.